Hello YouTube. In this video, I'm going to take this old sign that I got at an auction. I didn't take it off the post or anything, but it says no parking, has times, dates, whatever. I'm going to grind everything off, and primer, paint it, and decal it. So stay tuned. Should be a good video. Working better. Need something to hold it down. Probably be a good idea, right? Try something else. Some really old stuff. Aircraft removers. Give it a couple of minutes. There you can see some stuff bubbling. There. Make it a little bit easier to scrape them off together. Alright, let's see here how well this blends in. A little bit. Go with another spray down. Maybe a little thicker this time. Right. Get some of this stuff off first. Get what I can off. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. So let's see how well this thing did. A little better. That's pretty good. But I think I'll use the wheel on it for the rest. Alrighty, back to the wheel. pretty good. One way to give it a little wipey down, and then we can do some primer. I almost didn't forget about this little screw hole here I've got there. I don't know. Yeah, this one right here. I'm going to Dremel it down so it's nice and flat. Okay, I was going to use a disc, but I can't find the thing that holds the disc, so I'll just use this. This should be good enough. I'm sure I don't like it. I'll have to find something else. Okay, I found my other Dremel that has the disc on it. It should be a lot better now. There, a lot better. Let's throw a little primer on here. I'm going to let this dry a while, and we'll have to do another coat of primer. Okay, a little bit of time has passed. Put another layer of primer on it. And then I think after that we'll go for a couple of coats of black. Let that dry, and then we'll start the black. Alrighty, it's dried pretty well. So we'll give it a coat of black. Give that a couple minutes to dry and put another coat on. Alrighty, let's give her one more coat. We should be good to go. And we can put some decals on it. Alrighty, let her dry and then we'll be good to go. Alrighty, I already have the sign done up on the computer. Warning loud noises sign. All I gotta do is click the color and get ready to cut. Cutter's already loaded. Now I just have to get everything lined up. Make sure it's all the way down. Pretty sure the warning's already up there. Yep. Oh, not backwards. I was doing shirts earlier, so that's why it was set on backwards. Then, let's see here. Weed border, I don't need that. So now, you just set it, and the cutter will cut. Okay, now the same thing with the white. Click on the white. The cutter's already loaded, and cut. Well, after I get everything's good, and send. Okay, we're all done. Now, this might be a nice and simple pick, or as they say, weed. Oh, sometimes it gets stuck. And there's the white. Now for the red. There that is. Now all I gotta do is put clear over it so I can transfer it to the sign. Line it up on the clear. Try to do as smooth as possible. Flip it over. Squeeze out all the air. And then cut off the excess. starts to rip. Same thing for the white. And voila. Okay, now this is going to go on here first. Sometimes I do it dry without any liquid to help smooth it out, but I'm not going to do it this time. This time I'm going to put on some Rapid Tack to help with the installation of this decal. Alrighty, get this smeared all over. Now, if there's anybody who does decals that is going to be watching this, then they don't like the way I'm doing it. Sorry, it's the way I do it. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm not going to do any measuring. And then hopefully it turns out pretty good. I don't know. Maybe I will measure. Starting to look a little off by a lot. Alrighty. That looks fairly decent. I think I'm going to go with that. I'll just squeegee out all the Rapid Tack. Yeah, I see that they're like where there's going to be a hole for the bolt. Also down here, I think it might be touching the white. Plus you have that little one. I think it's right there. But nothing you can really do about that. Get all that out. You know what? I forgot towels. Alright. Soak up some of that. Oh! Accidentally hit you guys and it fell. Okay. Just shaking the table, you guys fall. See if I can fix this thing. There we go. Now, this is a light or medium tack clear, so it should come off pretty decently without the vinyl sticking to it. Go slow. Try to dry it up pretty good. That way it sticks well to sign. There. That part's on. Now the white. And once again, I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm not gonna measure. I mean, some of you might get a little irritated about that, but that's the way I'm gonna do it today. Give this a quick step down. A little bit on here again. Needs to come up a little bit. How about that? That's looking pretty good to me. I will get out the excess liquid. Or can I get this off? There we go. The eye seems to want to stay. D's giving a little issue. Okay. This seems to be alright. There that is. Once again, I like to weigh the excess. There we go. Looks like a nice sign for a garage. Now the only other thing I'm going to do is I might, you know, cut that out a little bit. Still have to get some water in there. As well as up here. And I'll get that out. Cut the vinyl out around the hole. And then it'll be good to go. So I'd like to thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe maybe. Any issues you had with my applications, let me know in the comment section below. But other than that, later.